In this video, we will learn how to create calculated trends using one or more of the tags on the chart. Calculated trends are not historized and do not exist outside of the chart they are created in. If wanting to historize a calculated trend so it can be used in other places, these should be created using the Calc service within the Canary admin. Let's get started. First, we will open the Edit Trends menu and select the calculation icon. From here, users can add or edit any calc trend that has already been created. There are three menus we can navigate between. The first is a keypad where users can click to insert numbers and operators if using a touchscreen. Otherwise, values can be entered using the keyboard. Next is the Functions menu, which contains mainly mathematical functions. We'll look at an example of one of these later in the video. And finally, we have the Trends menu, which allows the users to click and add the tag to the expression. For our first calculated trend, let's find the average of the two current tags on our chart. We'll give it a descriptive name, then build our expression below. When we're done, the calc appears on the chart with the other trends, which we can then edit its properties if we wish. Let's create another one. This time, we'll use the fallback function. The fallback function allows us to fill in a gap with a static value wherever there is no data reported. When we open the calc window, we can either edit the first calc or add a new one. Let's call this fallback. We'll select it from the Functions menu and see that it's looking for two parameters. The first is the tag, and the second is the fallback value the calc will draw whenever it encounters no data. Let's just use 30. There we go. We can see that the gap is now filled. Let's do one more. The last one we'll demonstrate is kind of opposite of what we just did. Instead of filling a gap, we're going to remove a part of the trend and create a gap. This might be useful if you want to remove an unwanted spike or dip in the data. To do that, we'll use an if statement. If the current is above 31.6, we want to write a no data. So the syntax is apostrophe, exclamation mark, no data, then close off your exclamation mark and apostrophe. If the statement is false, we just want to draw the current tag. If nothing appears on the chart after creating the calculation, that indicates it could not parse the expression correctly. In this case, I forgot to close off my parentheses. So there you can see we have created a gap in the trend whenever the tag exceeded that amount. That's all for calculated trends. Thanks for watching.